I set this timer as a minimum time, okay, and I set this time as a maximum.
Welcome to my channel. Before see this video, please ensure you are subscribed my channel.
And you can also turning the variable register to set this timer time. Now we will show how to make this timer at your home to control a big appliance, and few more points you can able to do with this circuit, any of your sensor, any of your appliance. Okay, this is a demonstration video. I will show you how to make this circuit at your home. Hello viewers, I think you all are well. Now today's topic is how to make a timer using IRF Z44N and within a one capacitor with a one potentiometer. Before see this video, at first you can ensure you are subscribed my channel and also like this video. Let's move on the main video section. For this timer IC, we have to need a one MOSFET. Also we know MOSFET is a voltage control current source. That's why this is easy to use to set a different time using a one potentiometer. Also we need a one capacitor to delay this time using capacitor because of discharging level of capacity is equivalent to a time capacity. That's why we are really using this. Also we need a one potentiometer. This is 10K potentiometer to discharge slowly from capacitor. Also need some wire and breadboard. Here I'm use a relay for a control big appliance. This is an example for 12 volt controlling system. You can apply for this 220 volts and 12 ampere higher consumable system. If you want to know how to make a relay circuit using a simple wiring, you can find this video in my channel or description below. Now I'm implant a MOSFET in my breadboard. Also the first point is gate, second is drain, and last is source. So these two wire is appliance side, the red wire as a negative and the black wire as a positive. After that we can take two wire from power supply. This red wire is positive part and the black wire is negative part also. Okay, my power supply connection is done with the relay positive part and the relay negative part. This wire from my relay control side as a solenoid positive side. Now this wire is connected with the source wire from the MOSFET. Okay, this is capacitor's negative point and the positive point also, and this pin will be connected with the MOSFET gate side. Using yellow wire to connect capacitor positive side to a MOSFET gate side. Okay, I've implanted this potentiometer to another side of my breadboard. Now my capacitor negative side also connected with the power supply negative side. Okay, I'm done with this connection using white wire. Let's connect the MOSFET drain side to a positive side of my voltage source. Here I'm done with this connection using green wire. This is the main part of this timer. Making discharging for this capacitor, we have to take a blue wire to connect this capacitor positive side to this potentiometer, and the another side of potentiometer is gonna be connect with negative side of voltage source. Let's connect the push button switch to trigger time starting point. So my handy wire, this connection is gonna be a positive side of my voltage source. It can sudden touch of steady state process to charge capacitor within a one push. Okay, my all connection is done. Let's test the circuit. My power supply voltage set as a 10 volt. You can use 12 volt also. This MOSFET is compatible for 12 volt. Now I am push the switch to trigger start the time and controlling the time. What duration of this time it can control with the potentiometer. Okay, now I am set this time. Okay, this is a small process to move one state to another state my light. Now set another time for steady response. This is pretty fast than previous. Here I am maximize the maximum time to control this potentiometer, this position to this. I just turning it clockwise. Okay, let's understand how the circuit is worked. What is the discharge level of capacitor? I'm triggered. The time is starting. The capacitor is also discharging. Okay, this is gradually discharging. When it crossed, the light move on the another part of my LED chaser. This is also called the off position of light. Okay, this is crossing 5 volt also. Let's see how the effect of this. Okay, so my capacitor discharging at level of 4 volt. It can control a light on to off. This chaser is effectively turning on to off. That's why I'm using relay to two side to control. This is off side and this is on side. Let's turning the potentiometer anti-clockwise to minimum time we take. Let's turning anti-clockwise to minimum time of this circuit. Okay, now this is minimum time of the circuit. It can take lower time of previous. Okay, also see this. Now I set this turning clockwise to middle point as a middle time for this circuit, to middle discharging level of capacitor. Okay, this is take a middle duration to previous and after. Okay, this is done. This is nothing to a very critical part. This is simple also. After that, I also say in this channel have more videos. You can see these videos to learn the basics of electronics. This is the last part of this video. No more today. Thanks for watching.